Okay, what would be another popular question?
Well, just to elaborate more so on the product side, we would have clients where they'd ask, is there anything that I should avoid using surrounding needling, even prior to doing my home needling?
My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe. As in products or?
Product-wise.
Oh yeah, well definitely. The first product would be actives. So you want to avoid using any glycolics, any salicylic, lactic acids and retinols. You would stop your retinols a week before and a week after needling. Glycolic, salicylic, lactic acid, you'd be fine to use up to 3 days beforehand, but I sometimes like to say as well even to stop using them a week before unless you suffer with acne and you need to continue using them. In that case, you would bring it right up to the 3 days pre and 3 days post, but never ever attempt to roll with any of them products.
Okay.
Because you can cause a breakout or irritation on the skin and your skin will be super sensitive afterwards.